is the red, green, and white day. I'm making Italian pasta, and you know what? I've got a pasta machine over here. I've rolled out some sheets, and now what I'm going to do is take my rolled out sheets, and I'm just going to put them in this other part of this machine. If you don't have one of these machines, it's okay. Just roll it with your rolling pin, and roll it with your, look at this, what it makes. Look at this, everybody. Roll it with your rolling pin, and cut it with a knife. But these little machines are not that expensive. You can get them for $30 or less on Amazon. And look how easy it is. Once you roll it out, the machine rolls out the flat part after you make your dough. And then it also cuts the pasta, the kind of pasta you want. So today I'm going to be making a linguine flat fettuccine style. And that's why I'm making them like this. So we have them here just like that, just like that. Just like that. And I just wanted to do a few of these so you could see. I think I'm going to roll out some more after we cut off the cameras. Okay, so this is an easy thing to do. It takes just a few minutes to shut off the air conditioner here. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to come over here, and there we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful fettuccine style pasta. So if you get a chance, give it a try. If not, buy a good pasta in the box and use that.
How did you make that pasta?
Well, what you need to do is watch the reel that shows me mixing it in the bread maker, which is real easy when you're using, instead of your hands, you just throw all your ingredients in your bread maker. 2 eggs, a couple of flour. I use 00 flour and 00 flour from Italy, or we have it here in the United States. So we just open